Welcome back, everyone. It's Kris and Jacki from my girlfriend's quilt shop, and we're here to do another scan and cut video, this time on
the heat transfer vinyl.
Oh, so much fun.
I
so
know.
much fun. All right, so last lesson we talked about doing the adhesive vinyl.
Yes.
This one is very similar because we are talking about the half cut. But this time, it's also a little bit different because we need to put our heat transfer vinyl on the mat a little differently.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
So let's take a look at what we're going to be making first. So this is the project we're making today. It's a fun little tote bag, and it has our ScanNCut logo on there.
It.
So why not have a scan and cut with the girlfriend's tote bag, and you can put all your extra stuff in it, right?
Absolutely. I can't think of anything better.
All right. Let's go ahead and take a look at how easy this is to do. First off, I'm going to be using my standard mat once again.
Yes.
It really is such a great go-to mat,
yes,
for
it
sure.
is. It is.
Now, we have heat transfer vinyl. This is a glitter applique vinyl sheet that you'll find in your kit. And there is a glossy side. This is a protective cover.
Yes.
This needs to go face down.
Right.
Now, this is really important, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Okay. we don't want to cut through this.
No.
Just like on the adhesive vinyl, we didn't want to cut through the background. Well, the same thing goes here. So I'm going to go ahead and place, again, don't forget that shiny side
down.
is down. And notice this wants to curl up a little bit. So this is definitely the time that I'm going to take my brayer and just roll it over. There should not be any coming up.
It's almost like pie dough, right?
Yes.
You're rolling out pie dough.
Now, let's go ahead and load this mat into the machine.
Alrighty.
And on your USB stick that you would have taken the design from your computer and loaded it onto a USB stick, and on your stick you're going to pull up the new design, which is the girlfriend logo.
Yeah. So we retrieved our design from the last lesson.
Yes.
And now we're going to do the exact same thing. So our USB is connected to our machine, and we're going to go to retrieve data. And we're using our USB. We've also mentioned that there are other places that you can get it.
Yeah.
So we're going to push that USB, and it's going to show everything that is saved onto this. And I can see it's our ScanNCut logo. I'm going to push that, and then there's our logo right there. We're ready to go, and I'm going to push OK.
All right, now there's something super important here, guys.
Yes, there is.
Because we put that plastic side down, guess what we need to do? We need to reverse
it. Yes.
Reverse the image.
How do I know that?
I got a feeling that we
Yes.
had an experience
We
not too
did.
long ago with that.
Yes, we did.
But that's okay. We just did it over again.
Yes, and it was all right. But it was really sad.
So it might happen to you. So pay really close attention that this is the point where you've got to reverse your image.
Yes.
So go ahead and show us, how do
All
we
right.
mirror this?
This is great. We go to Edit, Object Edit. All right, and this brings up our thing here. And you kind of look right here on this middle, right in the middle, that kind of flips, we're going to flip the design.
Perfect.
And so it is now going to
simple.
reverse it, and it was so simple. So then we push OK.
Okay.
So now that we've reversed it, we're ready to keep moving.
Yeah.
Pushing
Keep moving
OK.
forward.
Moving OK. And we're going to cut.
Yep.
Okay, but we're going to stop before we want to cut, right?
Yeah. We choose the cut, but we want to make
but
sure it's on.
we want to stop because with vinyl, we always want the half cut.
Half cut. Don't forget.
I have not turned that off, so we already have it on half cut.
That's
because
right.
it's enclosed in a blue little rectangle, so then I know that my eye went right to that saying that it's on.
Exactly.
If it would have said off.
Yep.
So now I know it's ready to go.
Okay.
Our design is reversed.
Yes.
And we're on half cut. Now you could also test this if you wanted to just to make sure. But I'm pretty confident that it's going to work.
Let's do it.
So let's push start. And so this also will be a 7-minute time to cut out. This is a great time to go grab you a treat, to
Exactly.
take a body break or whatever you
yes.
needed to do.
Or just scroll through Artspira or Canvas Workspace and look at what other new projects you want to do.
That you want to create more.
Exactly.
We are finished cutting.
We are.
So we're going to push OK. And now we're going to release the mat from the machine.
Release the mat. Okay. All right. Do you see what I mean, Jackie, when I said, gosh, did this cut? I don't know.
You hardly see it.
Yeah, but it surely did. And it did do a half cut. And we know that because it didn't cut all the way through. All right. Now, before I move on, because this is the last time I'm using this mat for today, don't forget, you want to replace your sheet. Yes. And in a future video, we'll also talk about how to clean these mats.
Which is great.
Yes, because we want to keep those going as long as possible. All right, so I am ready to begin the weeding process. This is the most fun part.
This is like fun. Now this is really sticky.
It is.
So
yeah, you can.
Love the glitter. The glitter just makes
Isn't that pretty?
Yeah, so you're going to peel away the stuff that is not cut.
Yep.
And this will, and the plastic will be sticky, so everything sticks to it. Extra threads or paper that you have laying around.
Strands of hair.
Yeah.
Let's be honest. All right, let's see. This part is going to come out. So if you're not sure what part comes out, just take a look at the picture included, because then you'll know which pieces stay and which pieces come out.
Very satisfying.
It is.
And that's why the tool is so important.
I couldn't do it without it. You know, before, like if you're in a pinch, you could take a straight pin and do this, but there's just something about how sharp this is, and
a straight pin it would bend.
It would.
And so this is a nice sturdy hook.
Yep.
Like I said, you're going to get stuck to it, because when you're done with that and you adhere it, then you can actually use the sticky part to pick up all the little pieces.
Now that's a brilliant idea.
So don't throw it away yet.
Oh, that's an excellent idea, Jackie. Okay, I think I've got it all.
Ta-da!
Yay. Let's see. I'll flip it over, make sure I got it all. Yep, looks like I do. Okay, now the really cool part is next. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set this aside, and you can do this with a regular iron. That's not a problem at all. But I happen to have this little heat press. I just picked it up on Amazon, and I'm in love with it.
Yes.
And
I can see I already need one.
Yes, this is so nice. I like it. It has this little black tray that holds it for a minute. And of course you want to make sure and be on a sturdy surface, all right? Not even your regular ironing board is sturdy enough. You should definitely be on some kind of table.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm just adding a little bit of heat here, because I had a wrinkle in there I didn't want to have.
Okay.
And I think it also helps with getting this on. Okay.
So I love your little board. So you could just make your own little boards.
Yeah.
And then just put a heat protective something on it, right?
Exactly. All right. So, I had a little E show up. We don't want that in there. All right. So this is looking good. And I'm just going to go ahead and eyeball this. I'm going to live on the edge a little bit here.
Oh, no.
Okay, what do you think, Jackie?
I think that looks really good.
Does that look okay?
Yeah.
And the nice thing is, again, you can see through it, so you can see exactly where you're going. If I wanted to be extra careful, I could take a ruler and measure, but
I think it looks.
I feel pretty good about that.
Yeah.
Okay, so with that being done, and it has the protective sheet still on, remember that. All I do is place my little heat press on here. Now I have it set at 340. Usually between 320 and 340 is where you want it to be. And I'm gonna hit start, and this is actually gonna count down for 30 seconds.
Oh,
isn't that cool?
So great.
So of course you wanna put a little bit of pressure on there.
Yeah.
Not a ton.
You just have to put some firm pressure on there. And then after 30 seconds, the little buzzer will come off, and then I'm going to flip it over and put it on for 15 more.
I love it because you're doing the whole design all at once. You're not doing a little bit at a time.
Exactly.
With a regular iron,
You've got to do it parts at a time.
Yeah.
Yep. So that is on.
Ooh.
And now I'm just going to flip it over and do it one more time. And
Ooh, there's a lot of
then
heat coming off of that.
There is. So I let this cool for about 45 seconds, approximately to a minute. And you still want it to be warm to the touch because this is a removal that you do while it's warm.
Okay.
Okay? And if you're not sure, always check with the manufacturer's instructions, whether it's a cool peel or a warm peel. I think most HTV is a warm peel, but
It would make more sense
it
that
would,
it was warm.
wouldn't it?
Yeah.
And then I'm just, again, carefully removing it. And if there was some that was lifting up, again, just put it back down and add some more heat to it. But
Oh my,
look at that.
that
It is done.
so cute.
Wasn't that easy?
Yes, it was, and I love that. The
Oh
way
my goodness, I love this too.
Yeah.
Now, a lot of you will probably be asking, can you do this on clothing? Can you wash it? Yes. What they recommend when you do it on clothing is you turn your shirt inside out.
Oh, okay.
And then you wash it on cool and with a low temperature tumble dry, and you should be fine.
All right.
So, but look how nice and smooth that is, Jackie.
That looks great.
That's so cool.
That is
so
darling.
Here's your bag. It's all done. And I'm going to do, as we close,
Yeah.
I'm going to do what Jackie said. That's a
think.
brilliant idea. I'm going to take my sheet that is sticky, and look at that. I am picking up all these little pieces everywhere.
Got these all over.
Brilliant.
'Kay.
Just brilliant. All right, friends. Well, we hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. Have so much fun with heat transfer vinyl. You know what the assignment is.
Yes.
Cut some.
Yes, definitely.
Cut some.
And then don't forget to post your pictures
Yes.
of what you do.
Exactly.
We'd love to see it on my friend's Facebook page.
Exactly. So if you head over to Friends of My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop, we'll be able to see those over there. So thanks for being with us. Have so much fun with your new machine. This is exciting stuff.
Is. It
And
is.
we have so many more tutorials in the works. So we'll hope to see you again very soon. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.